નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ રેશિયો એનાલિસિસ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 26. The balance sheet of Common Limited as on 31st March 21 is as under: equity share of rupees 100 each 15 lakh, general reserve and profit and loss account both are reserve and surplus, 10% debenture is a long term liability. Current liability: creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, provision for taxation. Fixed assets only one. Current assets: stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash balance and prepaid expenses. Additional information: total sale: cash sale is 2 by 5th of the credit sale, 21 lakh. ग्रोस प्रॉफिट 7,50,000. ये ग्रोस प्रॉफिट माइनस करो सेल्स माथी એટલે કોસ્ટ ઓફ સેલ મળે. નેટ પ્રॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट एंड टैक्स 4,80,000. बिफोर इंटरेस्ट एंड टैक्स. टैक्स रेट इज 50%. स्टॉक एज ऑन 1/4/20 rupees 2,40,000 opening stock. From the above information, calculate the following accounting ratios and give brief comment on each of them. Standard ratio are shown in the brackets. First of all, net profit ratio. Net profit upon sales into 100. तो सेल्स આપ્યું છે, નેટ પ્રોફિટ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ. તમને પીબીઆઈટી આપ્યો છે, પ્રોફિટ બિફોર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ એન્ડ ટેક્સ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 4,80,000 minus interest. Interest calculated on debenture 6 lakh into 10%, 60,000. 4,20,000. Profit before tax PBT minus tax 50%, 2,10,000. 2,10,000 is the net profit. 2,10,000 net profit upon sales 21 lakh into 100 is equal to 10%. Then debtors ratio: debtors plus bills receivable upon credit sale into 360. First of all, credit sale find કરીએ. credit sale માટે તમને એવું કીધું છે કે cash sale is 2 by 5 of credit sale. તો credit sale ધારી લેવાનું. Suppose credit sale is 5 plus cash sale 5 into 2 by 5 2. Total sale 7. હવે આનાથી સ્ટેપ શરૂ કરવાનું કે total 7 when credit 5, total 21 lakh, તો credit sale આવશે 15 lakh. Debtors 120 and 180 bills receivable, 1,20,000 debtors and 1,80,000 bills receivable upon 15 lakh into 360 is equal to, answer is 72 days. Liquid ratio: liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets 7,25,000 and current liabilities 8 lakh. 720 upon 8 lakh is equal to 0.90 is to 1. 91 is to 1. Stock ratio is equal to cost of goods sold upon average stock. First of all, cost of goods sold find करिए. Sales 21 lakh minus gross profit 7,50,000. Cost of goods sold is 13,50,000. average stock, opening stock plus closing stock upon 2. Opening stock is 2,40,000, number 5, plus closing stock is given in balance sheet 3 lakh upon 2, and the average is 2,70,000. Cost of goods sold 13,50,000 upon 2,70,000. Answer is 8.75 times. Number 5, return on shareholders fund is equal to net profit upon shareholders fund into 100. तो अपने पास नेट प्रॉफिट है पेलो 2,10,000. शेयरहोल्डर्स फंड फाइंड करी तो एनी फॉर्मूला છે कैपिटल प्लस रिजर्व माइनस 50 शेयर्स एसेट्स. कैपिटल only 15 lakh equity share plus reserve 6 lakh and 3 lakh 9 lakh and minus 50 shares asset 0. 24 lakh is the shareholders fund upon 24 lakh into 100 is equal to 8.75%. And finally, debt equity ratio, long term liability upon owners fund. Owners fund means shareholders fund. Long term liability only 1, and the long term liability is debenture 6 lakh upon owners fund 24 lakh into 100, and answer is 25%. અહીંયા એક આન્સર 8.75 ટાઈમ્સ નહીં, ઓન્લી 5 ટાઈમ્સ આવશે. આ એક જરા મિસ્ટેક હતી, સુધારો કરજો કદાચ તમે લખી દો તો 5 ટાઈમ્સ. થેન્ક યુ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ.